Today, everything runs on code. Every text you send, every website you visit, every screen you swipe, it's all driven by code. Code that even fraction of students can't even understand. And that's a problem. Imagine if only 1 out of 100 students knew how to code. Think how many world-changing ideas we would have never seen. We would be stuck in the dark ages. And when it comes to programming, we kind of are. So, what if instead of wasting time on figuring out ways to learn, you could become an elite coder in just a matter of months? And that's the future for students. And it's about to change everything. It's time to unleash the power of coding by making it easy to understand all at once. Wherever you are, whoever you are, and however you want, you can learn and develop coding skills, everything, all at once. At Imaginary Hub, we are doing exactly that. We are building a platform where students don't have to waste their time and energy for finding the right resources. This is the future of software development. Welcome to the age of Imaginary Hub.